Welcome back, everybody. Unless you're new here, then it's not welcome back, it's just welcome. We are going to the Christmas parade. I gotta get lights on the Unwinder. I only have one strand, so we're gonna see how it looks and go from there. That's a problem. This time of year it gets dark real quick. But hey, I got her done. We got some lights on there. Check it out. It's gonna have to do. Let's go.
It's getting cold, just look at the falling snow. There's season's greetings, happy meetings, oh, and a little bit of mistletoe. They're decorating the Christmas tree with a star up top for you and me. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. Way up north, they're making toys for every little girl and boy who mailed in letters, cause they've been better, so much better than the year before. Santa's crossing off every wish, even moms and dads have made the list. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas time. The sound of sleigh bells on reindeer only come this time of year. With Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, run, run, Rudolph, all you will be misled. Santa Claus gets his paws on his red sleigh. When his elves hear the shouts, he'll go flying on his merry way. He's spreading joy all along the route, all around the world in one night. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas time.
I got disconnected from the parade and I took a wrong turn. So everybody that was behind me in the parade is still behind me and we don't know where to go.
You ruined Christmas.
So we found people and we just gotta follow the people and we asked them if anybody else had gone through yet. They said no.
Waiting behind us.
This is awesome!
We gotta go.
So we're leading the parade now. Merry Christmas! Woo-hoo-hoo!
A private parade.
Should I just lead everybody to my house and be like, why are you guys still following me? So
I've
funny.
got the title for your video.
What's that?
I ruined a Christmas parade.
So I apologize for ruining Christmas parade.
No, you made it better.
I made it better. You are welcome for making Christmas parade better. The funny thing is that when you look at all the rigs, they all look really nice with their lights, and I was there with my 2 strands. Half of them are burnt out already.
No one ruins a parade like us.
All right, on to the next. So, big addition to our channel coming up. We're gonna go check it out right now. Puppy.
See puppy?
He's only 3 weeks old, so eyes just barely open. But this is Scout. He's shivering. We're gonna get him back in with Mom. But yeah, pretty excited about this.
Oh, can we give it one more time?
Merry Christmas!
So the parade went really well, even though there was a gap between us and the actual organizers. Roxanne, Laura, Tion, I do apologize once again, but it was a great event regardless. Can't wait to come again next year. We will be there. We'll help bring some friends as well. But from behalf of, I guess not from behalf.
From our family to yours.
So from our family to you and yours, Merry
Christmas!
Christmas! Until next time, go away, get lost, and unwind.